Hello friends, welcome back to Learn English by Speaking. Today we are in the famous IMA Market in Imphal, Manipur, the world's largest women-run market. We will practice English conversations you can use when shopping at a market. Repeat after me and improve your speaking. Rina and Toy are shopping. Rina, good morning. How are you today? Toy, good morning. I am fine. And you? Rina, I am fine too. Let's practice English while shopping. Let's repeat. Good morning. How are you today? I am fine. And you? At the shop. Rina, good morning. Do you have fresh vegetables today? Shopkeeper, yes, we have fresh vegetables. What do you need? Repeat. Good morning. Do you have fresh vegetables today? Yes, we have fresh vegetables. What do you need? Toy. We need 2 cabbages and 1 kilo of tomatoes. Shopkeeper, here you are. Anything else? Repeat. We need 2 cabbages and 1 kilo of tomatoes. Anything else? Asking price and paying. Rina, how much is it? Shopkeeper, it's 100 rupees. Rina, here is the money. Thank you. Shopkeeper, thank you. Please come again. Repeat after me. How much is it? It's 100 rupees. Here is money. Thank you. Thank you. Please come again. Practice dialogue together. Now let's practice the full conversation together. I will be the shopkeeper, you be the customer. Good morning. What do you need? Here are you. Anything else? It's 100 rupees. Thank you. Please come again. Great job! You have practiced a full English conversation at IMA Market in Imphal, Manipur. Practice these lines every day and you will become confident in real markets. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn English by Speaking.